Hello everyone, I am Michael from Multi-Speed Group. Today I would like to introduce one of our popular products, the semi-automatic filling machine. This filling machine is suitable for the quantitative filling of the liquid, paste, and other materials in the daily chemical, food, and the other industries. This machine, the filling amount is from 100 milliliters to 1000 milliliters, and the filling speed is 10 to 30 bottles per minute. Secondly, let me show you the structure. Number one is the filling hopper with 30 liters volume. Number two is the filling nozzle. Number three is the piston. Number four is the cylinder. Number five is the pressure valve with air source switch. Number six is the adjustment hand wheel to adjust the filling amount. Number seven is the foot pedal switch. Now let me introduce the operation. First, connect the power supply. Second, connect the air source with the air compressor. Third, adjust the hand wheel to set the filling amount. Fourth, switch on the emergency button. Fifth, set the operation manual or automatic by this button. Finally, put the honey or the liquid into the hopper. The liquid or paste will be sucked by this piston and pumped out from this filling nozzle. That's all for the whole operation. Thank you for watching.